Hello and welcome to You, and You. I'm your budget boss, and today we are going to go over a sample budget. We are going to actually take out a budget template and go through a budget just to see what we come up with. So let's go take a look. All right, so here we have our Budget Boss Planner for the month, and we are going to go ahead and start to budget our funds for this month. So first we start with our income. We have our W-2 income, $3,000, our business income, $1,000, and our second business income of $1,000. That gives us a total income of $5,000. Next, we'll go ahead and start to track our expenses right here in our reoccurring expenses section of our budget planner. And we have our rent, $1,500, our car note, $300, utilities, which you could break that out into individual utilities if you like. We're going to put in a summary for this. We have that for $600. We have our insurance, $200. Groceries, $300. Our personal items, $100. Our student loan, $300. And our credit card, $200. We add that all up, you're going to get a grand total of $3,500. Now down here in our savings section, we're going to have one savings for $200. If we come over here, we'll see that we have an other expenses section, and this will be for just various expenses that might come up during the month. So for example, school supplies. We have that for $100, and it's always a great idea to invest. So we have one investment for $200. Now we'll go up here to our summary section of our budget, and we'll bring all of those amounts over. So we have our income of $5,000, our reoccurring expenses of $3,500, our other expenses of $100, our savings of $200, and our investments for $200. And when you take that $5,000 and you back out all of these expenses, that total that you'll have left is $1,000, and this would be considered our cash flow. And that is how you would complete your Budget Boss Planner for your monthly expenses, just to break everything down into categories and to bring it all together so you can see where you stand in a summarized way. So I hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and join our community of money masters and budget bosses, and say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. I'll see you later.